How to make money from egg distribution business in Nigeria is what I am talking to you about in this video. Number one way to make money from egg distribution in business in Nigeria is to determine your target market. Identify areas in Nigeria where there is a high demand for eggs and target them for your egg distribution business. Number two is to source for supply points. Because if you are going to distribute, you must be able to collect from somewhere and distribute to another place. So you must select and know and source for supply points. Establish healthy relationship with farmers, marketers, and other sources of eggs to ensure you have a steady supply of eggs. Number three thing that you need to do is to invest in marketing. Create awareness about your business by investing in advertising and promotions such as flyers, online ads, word of mouth, and discounts to attract customers. Number four is to employ staff members. Employ individuals that are knowledgeable about the business and can carry out sales and delivery services efficiently. Then number five way to make money from egg distribution business is to invest in technology. Utilize technology to speed up delivery and sales processes as well as track inventory levels. Number six is to develop a pricing strategy. Ensure that your egg distribution business remains profitable by establishing a fair and competitive price point for your products. Your price should not be the highest, and at the same time, for you to make profit should not be the lowest. Then you have to monitor demand and supply. Track the inventory levels of your eggs to ensure that you are meeting the needs of your customers. Then you have to expand your network. Reach out to other distributors or retailers to increase your reach and create a larger customer base. Number nine, offer quality service. Don't offer second-hand service. Offer first-class service. Maintain high standards of customer service by responding to customer requests quickly, providing timely deliveries, and responding to any queries as prompt as possible. Invest also in safety measures. Adhere to safety regulations and invest in proper storage solutions to ensure that your eggs are handled safely and they remain fresh for a long period of time. Number 11 way to make money from egg distribution business is to utilize online platforms. Many people in your locality may not even know that you sell eggs. They may know and see you on social media. So utilize social media to create awareness for your product. You also have online stores where you can deliver to people. Then you can offer rewards and loyalty schemes. Create incentives for customers by offering discounts, freebies, and other rewards for repeat purchases. Network with other businesses. Develop relationships with other businesses in the supply chain that may be beneficial to the growth of your egg distribution business. Then number 14, you have to monitor your competitors. What are they doing and what are they not doing? What are they doing to make them tick that you can copy? Then you have to continue to innovate. Experiment with new ideas such as subscription services and home delivery to stay ahead of trends and increase your profits. Number 16, prioritize customer feedback. Gather feedback from customers and incorporate their suggestions into your business to improve customer satisfaction. Then number 17 is to establish partnership. Establish partnership with other people that are in the egg business. Research and create partnerships with other companies in the food industry such as restaurants. Restaurants need egg on the food of their customers. Then grocery stores, they also need egg where they sell your eggs. And then caterers and wholesalers to expand your market. Talking about this partnership, you can partner with bakeries and bakers and those who bake cake and other such items. Then you have to invest in research and development. Keep up with the latest trends and emerging technologies related to egg distribution and explore ways to integrate them into your business. Number 19 way to make money from egg distribution business: to maintain quality control. Ensure the quality of your eggs by conducting regular tests and inspections. Then you have to educate customers. Inform your customers about the benefits of eating eggs and the importance of protein. There was an adage some time ago I used to read somewhere. It said an egg a day does something. You eat an egg in a day, something like that. Then streamline your processes also. Automate routine processes such as order taking, delivery, and payment to increase efficiency of operations. So they can pay and they can order online, or they can pay online instead of paying cash to you. So they can pay ahead and other things. Then you also have to adopt practices that are sustainable for egg distribution business. So if I've added value to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and like this video also, and share the link of this video. If you have questions and comment for me, the comment section is right below this video. Go ahead and drop your comment and ask your question over there, and I am going to respond to you in a very, very short while. My name is Olubengade Titun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I'm going to talk to you again soon. Look at this video that's popping up right now. It's very good for you. Go ahead and watch it now. Go ahead. Yeah, let's go. Go.